In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iMessage without data or internet usage, specifically from one iPhone to another, in just 5 easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, you want to make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because using Wi-Fi is what allows you to send and receive iMessages without impacting your cellular data. Begin by navigating to your iPhone's settings and then tapping on the Wi-Fi option. Once there, ensure Wi-Fi is turned on. Connect to a trusted network such as your home network to keep your messages secure. Next, we'll focus on turning off cellular data, which is necessary to ensure iMessage relies solely on Wi-Fi for sending and receiving messages. Head back to settings and this time choose the cellular option. By toggling cellular data off, you make sure that iMessage won't inadvertently use your data plan, preserving those precious gigabytes for other needs. The third step is to enable iMessage itself. To do this, stay in settings and scroll down until you find messages. Tap on it and make sure that the iMessage toggle is switched on. This step is fundamental because iMessage won't work if it's turned off. Once you've ensured it's active, your phone will always use iMessage whenever it's available, utilizing Wi-Fi only. Now let's move to checking your send and receive settings, which helps confirm you're set to use your phone number and/or email address for iMessages. In the messages area within settings, tap on send and receive. Here, make sure that your phone number and any email addresses you'd like to use with iMessage are checked. This ensures the app can correctly route your messages to and from the proper accounts you've associated with your iPhone. Finally, an easy way to confirm that everything is working as it should is by looking at the color of your text bubbles. If you see blue text bubbles, that's your indicator you are indeed using iMessage. Blue bubbles mean that your messages are being sent over Wi-Fi. In contrast, green text bubbles signify standard SMS messages, which use your mobile carrier's network and, consequently, your data plan. By following these steps, you can confidently use iMessage over Wi-Fi without touching your cellular data. This setup can be particularly useful if you're traveling internationally or if you have a limited data plan. Enjoy messaging without the worry of data overages, and feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.